Hello, it's Lindsay, back again with a few more websites. I found a lot of websites and they were all pretty amazing, so I kind of wanted to share a few of them with you. This first one is the curiositymachine.org, and then if you read about them, it's imagining a better world we build together. And what I found on here, I signed up as a student. You can also sign up as an educator. I wanted to see the students' platform and see what they could do. There's all this artificial intelligence and how they're trying to build together a community and really promote STEM education. If you go over and look about the AI family challenges, so how to create AI and artificial intelligence, or the design challenges is what I thought was really cool. I went down and just started looking at the and Boeing engineering. I really liked the building a long wingspan. Again, you have to sign in, but it's totally free to sign in and do it. So before we even start building, it kind of tells you the materials and then the difficulty level. And what I really enjoy is this video kind of gives them an introductory video by someone in Boeing. What does it take to solve problems, help others? So that's just a kind of little preview of what that little introductory video is to kind of capture the attention of a student. If we start building, you go in. Oops, sorry, give me one moment. Alright, sorry about that. I forgot to confirm my email. It is a free account, but you have to sign up with the email. Confirm it. So what I really like about their plan and design, it's very computational. So right here, we already saw the inspiration of it. You can see the plan. You can see how we can build it, test it, redesign, and then reflect. So if you click on guide, it goes ahead and shows an educational video. And you can go ahead and learn more about it. It'll take you back to more videos on the engineering process. So I really like this. The only big downside to this is it's not connected directly to any of the standards, whether it's the educational ones, the core standards, or the science ones. Sorry, the national science standards. The next website that I want to show you guys real fast is Science Buddies. Now, this one has a lot of science projects, project guides, ask an expert, a blog. It's a very quick one. And then you can look at the lesson plans. And I'll go through lesson plans for all different grade levels. And this one is nice because it is set to the National Science Standards. And it'll tell you the lesson plan, the grades, all that formatting. STEM Village. STEM Village looks like a great website for STEM education. It has science, math, technologies, discovery, different courses that you can go and see. The curriculum, technology, math. What's really nice is it has a section for libraries and how you can enroll the library, all the benefits it brings to libraries. Just a quick overview of that one. And then Lego engineering. I have seen Legos used in classrooms before, and it is a great tool for students. So right here, they have the how we get started and all their different kits. What's really great with their kits is it'll tell you about The program itself, challenge ideas, the pedagogy, like how you teach it, and the standards, and then reflections. Really quickly, I found some of the math websites on this one, weareteachers.com. What I really liked about this one was the National Council of Mathematics, Teachers of Mathematics, had a lot of great free resources, but then also it's the paid subscription. So under classroom resources, you'll be able to find all different types of games and activities for free. Like this one, it's very nice. It's the computational thinking, where you just have to figure out the value of these coins, put it in, and check if you are correct. And over here, it talks about the modes, the features, the toolbar, the activity workspace, the bank, exploration questions for students, and then the objectives and standards. I know this was a little bit of a long presentation, but I really wanted to get all these websites in for y'all real fast, and I'm sorry if I'm a little bit nasally, but I hope you all enjoyed your Thanksgiving. Happy holidays. Thank you.